There's all sorts of stuff here. I'm gonna start unboxing this quick little mini unboxing of this Polaroid camera I got for $40 at Walmart. So here we go. It's another box inside of a box. So here's the camera and the film, and then it comes with the strap. I guess this is a hand strap. I need to get a neck strap, so I'll figure that out a bit later. So we're gonna try to turn this on and load the film. Okay guys, so got this Polaroid done. I'm gonna take a selfie photo, which I don't think this does selfie mode, but I'm gonna take a photo. But the film's loaded up. Pretty easy to load up. It only got 8 exposures in the black and white, so we're just gonna try this out. Okay, so I took a photo, just letting it sift a little bit, not just take it, but yeah, I can definitely get into photo. One of the Polaroid cases and stuff, like for the photos. What's up, guys? We're continuing off. Took a couple photos with the black and white film, and I will post some photos of that and how that turned out. But so the Polaroid Now camera, it's pretty good. I can go on more of a depth review now doing this unboxing. I've taken a few photos of it. It's actually pretty good. It took a while to get used to the whole camera thing. Took some winter photos, which I took some photos of stuff, so yeah. Now I'm gonna show you how to really replace the film and go over the camera. So we're at the front camera. Right here's your tray, where if you press this button right here, that's going to unlock the tray that you can place the film. You got your camera here. You got your viewfinder here. This is a self-timer button. I think this is meant for the self-timer to let you know when it's going to be taken. This is your flash button, and this is to take the camera. I'm not gonna take a photo of anything, you guys. But there is a little flap here that when you take the photo, it comes out. You leave that photo, the Polaroid underneath that phone for about 10 seconds, and then you take it off, and then you place it face down. Flip it around, place it face down, dark side up, facing you. So there'll be two sides. There's the black side of the film, and then there's the dark side of the film, and then the blue side of the film. The blue side of the film is where the picture's gonna sew. So you're gonna, when you take that off after 10 seconds, you're gonna put it face down, so that way it can develop fully for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna say how to replace the film. So you have two types of film for Polaroids. This takes the I-type film. So I have the color here. This one came with the black and white film. I guess the standard. Color. I use the color film. I like black and white, but this is not my cup of tea. You know what I mean? Like, I like the old look of black and white. I do, but for me, this is the film to go. Like, I want to be vivid. You know what I mean? So you're gonna. Oh yeah, back here you have your viewfinder as well, and then you have your on button, and then it has a flash button as well, and then it has a little thing here that shows how much film is it. So what you want to do is you're going to press the on button, right? First, we're going to take the film out of the this here. Each Polaroid camera is different. So I like this one. This one's pretty nice. Don't need that. Here you have your little box thing. Now you can refrigerate this, but I don't think it needs to be refrigerated. Now we're gonna take out the film. Right. Here you have your this is gonna go, when you load it, it's gonna go face up, so you want to see this. And it's gonna say insert this film side up. This part side up. Next, you're gonna take your camera, right? You're gonna press that on button. Then you're going to unload the tray. take this out. This is the empty cartridge. Empty cartridge. We don't need that. Next, like I said, you're gonna take this. So you're pointing towards yourself. You're gonna take this side up. So it's just gonna go right in here. See, right here. Just place that down. Make sure that clicks in. Take that. That's all we're gonna line. So you have your 8 photos. Then this part comes out, and then there you go. Film is in. I will show you guys. So I'm gonna take a photo of this. So you're gonna go look through there. Sorry guys, got flashed a little bit. Wait about 10 seconds. As you see, the cover, the shield here. This is a shield for the photo. They're gonna wait a couple seconds, for that to be just to show you guys how it is. I wasted one of my films, so my Polaroids, but hey, I could always buy more, right? It is expensive. An 8-pack is $18 at Walmart. I don't know how much they're at Target. Amazon has a 24-pack for about $50. I think that's well, it comes with like 3 8-packs, but it's you get 24 films out of it basically for $60. So yeah, so now sealed. And we're just gonna place it upside down for 10 to 15 minutes on the dark side there. And then I will show you guys the finished product within the time. I just want to show you guys, this is one of the photos I took Friday night. As you can see, I have you can write down the bottom here on the whiteboard down here or what and date it so you know what it is. So I put like my TV, I put on my TV. I was watching Alvin and the Chipmunks. I think it's Alvin and the Chipmunks. Yeah, I was watching Alvin and the Chipmunks that night. It's called My TV. I put My TV, and then 1/16/26. So that's January 16th, 2026. And it keeps track of everything. But it did turn out nice. I will say that. That looks pretty nice. Then here's one of me yesterday when I was sorting out my Magic the Gathering cards. So, but yeah. And here was the first photo I took of it with it, and I was at Burger King. Wanted to test it out. But yeah, that photo should be developing, and I will get back to you on that. I think this is done, but as you can see, while I was recording the video, I took the photo. I think it turned out pretty well, actually. So, yeah. I'll put that away. If you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more epic content. Hope you guys enjoyed this little Polaroid review of the Polaroid Now. I can't wait to take so many Polaroid photos with this camera. It is rechargeable battery, so you don't have to put batteries in it. A lot of the vintage Polaroid cameras will take batteries, but this is a rechargeable one. So Polaroid Now, highly recommend it. 10 out of 10, love it. So guys, make sure to check it out. Like I said, I got that for $40. It was on sale. Normally it's like $129. I got it for $40, man. I mean, that's a good deal, you know. So anyway, I'm signing off for now. Make sure to stay tuned for more epic content. I will see you guys later. Peace.